Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Alabama on his Ranger RCI 99N2. Robert, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune and alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, high cut noise filter, wideband modification to the SRE 198 mic. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Sitting about 6 watts all the way down. It's plenty low if you decide to run an 8 pill or bigger. Got 58 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low 100 watt slug in the corner. 250 watt slug in average. Low about 120 bird average. Go to peak. Low 250 in the corner. All right, Robert, we can get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.